Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a productive to-do list schedule that I'm going to work through with a lot of cleaning and housework and other sort of life admin chores. I'm starting off in the morning. Both the boys are out of the house. They are at school and at nursery. And the first thing on my long to-do list that you can see on the left-hand side there is to clean the kitchen. It needs a really thorough clean, especially while the kids are out and I can really focus on doing it properly. So I'm going to start in here and I'm going to give the kitchen a good clean after I empty and fill the dishwasher. I know I'm going to get asked immediately what app I use to make my to-do lists. This is an app on my phone called Plan Bella. It is so handy. I use it every single day without fail. Now that I've wiped down that side of the kitchen, I'm onto the other side. I used a slow cooker yesterday, so I need to put this away. And I'm going to give the chopping board a good clean, which needs it, as you can see here. I'm actually cleaning with the Scrub Daddy Power Paste today, if anyone is interested. It's really good if you're looking to go that little bit further and do a real sort of deep scrub. It gets lovely and foamy and pasty, as you can see. And then you just wash it off and you're left with a lovely clean surface underneath. I also need to do the hob. I haven't done it for a while and you can't really see here, but it's covered in little spit marks that you always seem to get on a hob, which are so gross. So I'm going to use, again, the Scrub Daddy Power Paste and a little Christmas tree shaped Scrub Daddy, and I'm going to give it a really good clean. I'm also going to remove the extractor fan panels and I'm going to put those in the dishwasher, and I'm just going to hoover the floors by hand. I am going to use my robo vac for the downstairs floor, but in this particular little corner of the kitchen I wanted to just do it quickly by hand because I want to mop with my Flash speed mop. So I made sure to vacuum quickly so that I could get a wet cloth on my Flash speed mop and go over the kitchen floors. First of all, I'm going to go over the kitchen cupboard doors. I like to do this first before the mop is used on the floor. It's a really quick and effective way to clean the kitchen cupboards, and then I will clean the floor. A little habit that I have when I've finished using my speed mop is I take off the cloth, I fold it up and I use the clean underside to wipe down the bin before I dispose of it. It's just a good little routine to get into so that I make sure I'm cleaning the bin on a regular basis. I'm just going to clean under the lid and in all the nooks and crannies, and then I will dispose of the cloth once it's been thoroughly used. Okay, time to tick number 2 on the to-do list, which is to hoover the carpets upstairs. I'm going to use my Bosch vacuum cleaner. This is the Bosch Unlimited 7. I get asked what vacuum cleaner I use a lot, so there you go. I'm going to go through all the bedrooms and the landing and hoover all the carpets. Next on my list is to have a shower and clean the shower screen at the same time. I like to do these at the same time to be super efficient. So I am showered and the shower screen is also clean. I'm just going to put on a little bit of moisturizer as well, just to try and perk myself up a little bit. Okay, next I need to speak to my management. There's a few things that I need to talk to them about today, so I'm going to leave him a very long voice note and get everything that I need to say to him onto our chat so that I know that that's done. Next up, I need to film some brand content. I'm working with a brand today and I actually need to do a load of laundry as part of the content, which is convenient because I need to do laundry today anyway, so 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm going to go through the boys' bedrooms, get a big load of laundry and go downstairs and put it on, but I am also filming this on my phone as brand content that I will edit later today. Next up is one of those little life admin things. I need to ring the dentist and book myself and the boys in for a dental checkup. Not very exciting, but one of those things that needs to be done. Next up, I need to clean the toilets. I actually have 3 toilets to clean, but I'll only show you cleaning 1 because you don't really need to see me cleaning 3 toilets. I'm just gonna spray the outside of the toilet and wipe it down before I use some toilet gel to clean inside of the toilet. Also, just to be fancy, I'm going to make the toilet roll look all nice and posh like it's in a hotel, even though it will be ripped apart later today. Okay, I'm going to set my little RoboVac to work so that I know that the vacuuming is being done downstairs while I edit the video that you have just seen me filming. I'm going to set myself up in the living room. I have about an hour until I need to collect my son, so I'm going to sit here, do some editing and relax kind of a little bit. After I collected my son from nursery, we went and got some Christmas cards. This was on my to-do list today. I needed to get some Christmas cards for my eldest son to give his friends at school, so I made sure I went into the supermarket and got those. And the last thing on my list was to post our Christmas cards, which I did with my little one after nursery, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.